How to use the intelligent market here in REIFax. The intelligent market will let you look for cash buyers from your REIFax account. So first we're going to go to the search section, and from here you're going to make any search you want. You can run a search from scratch by selecting all the parameters you want, or as I'm about to do, you can click on Manage Search. I'm going to select this one and I'll click on Load. Once I have all my parameters loaded, I'll click on Search, and this takes me directly to the Results section. Here in the Results section, you'll see on the top right that you have a light bulb, an icon that says Intelligent Market. I'm going to click on Intelligent Market, and this displays this window. What is the intelligent market going to do? The intelligent market is going to look for cash buyers that fulfill the parameters that I selected in my search. In other words, we're going to be looking at potential buyers for the properties that fulfill the parameters that I selected in my search. So we have to select three things. So now we have to select three things. First, result by. I'm going to ask the system how. Here I'm going to let the system know how. Here I'm going to let the system know how I want these results to be organized. I can organize these results by owner name, owner address, agent name, lender or plaintiff. I'm going to leave it in owner name. And also I'll let the system know how I want these results to be grouped by. Maybe I want this group by corporation, by trust, by financial bank, by individual, or all. I'm going to click on all, and here I'm going to select the minimum amount of properties this owner has, this potential cash buyer has. I'll leave it in 2 and I'll click on apply. This opens the intelligent market section, and here you'll see all the owners or the potential cash buyers that the system found. I have a total of 9 results. Here are the owner names, the addresses of these owners, the city where they are, zip code, state, and country. Here we see a column that says quantity. Here I see the amount of properties each owner has. I can click on this checkbox if I want in order to select all these owners, and I can either print or save as a PDF all this information, or if I want, I can click here on this second icon and I can export this information either to an Excel or to a CSV file. If you want to see in more detail the information about this particular owner, I can click on the name, and this displays the information of all the 8 properties this owner has. Here I'll see the addresses, the zip codes, gross area, living area, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and all the other information I might be interested in. From here, you can check them all. And again, you can print now the information of the properties of this particular owner. You can create the labels for each of these addresses. Simply click, and it opens this window where you'll select your preferences. Maybe you'll want your labels to be a little bit bigger and center. And click on apply. This opens a new tab with the PDF file where I'll be able to see all my labels. Please remember that since this is a new tab on the browser, you need to make sure that the pop-ups are unblocked for REIFax on this particular browser you're using. Here you'll see I have 8 labels, 1 for each property I had in this section. I'll click OK. Again, you can also export this information to an Excel sheet or CSV. You can add these properties to your follow-up system. You can also add these properties to a particular mailing campaign. If you need to, you'll have access to the legend, so you can see the meaning of each of these circles. For example, here I only have green circles with a black line. So this means that these properties are active for sale. And we also offer you the opportunity to see where these properties are located in the map. Here we have a map view, and if I click on this little icon, the system will show me where exactly these properties are located. I can zoom out or zoom in and you'll see where these properties are. From here you can click on any of the properties and you'll see the specific information for this particular property. If you need to, you can go back to the grid view by clicking on the final icon that you find on the top right corner of your screen. And these are all the options you have in the intelligent market of your REIFax account.